So, let's see. I cannot put this hair on because I have a ponytail, but I will show you guys in another clip me putting it on. Ooh, alright, y'all, stink. So, I don't think this is virgin hair. Oh, because it smells like straight chemicals. Y'all, I'm just wearing this on my birthday. I didn't even want to sew in. That's how real it was going to be on my birthday. Okay, so the unit looks not that full. It's really not thick at all, but I guess I don't know if I want it to be too thick anyway, seeing that it's a curly unit. But it comes with a comb, some adjustable straps. It is a lace fronted unit. Yep. Some good parting space. I think I want to bleach these knots. Yeah, definitely want to bleach these knots. But this is the unit, guys. It's really soft. I'm gonna have to wash it and see how it really is, but it's really soft. So yeah, I definitely want to bleach these knots. And I don't know. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna have to customize this unit, but it does have baby hairs. It does look pre-plucked, but I'm gonna just have to bleach these knots. But I'll be back with a try on. So now here you will see I'm bleaching the knots on this unit, and actually it came out wonderful. When making the bleach, I just made sure that the consistency of the bleach was pretty thick, but at the same time it was really smooth and creamy. Here when I applied it, I just added a thick layer, and you can actually see through the lace on top of the hair where I um, was laying it on. That's how you want to make sure that you are bleaching your knots properly. I also kept the bleach on for about 20 minutes. I didn't need longer than 20 minutes, and I did use only a 10% developer along with the regular BW bleaching powder, and that did wonders. Here you can see the knots are bleached, and yeah. So now I'm just going to apply my wig on using the regular Got to Be glue method. I used some Got to Be glue along with some hairspray, and I'm just going to install my wig. I don't really like to do too much glue because I like to take my wigs off during the day. I mean at nighttime when I come home. So I just used a little bit, and you're gonna see me just kind of finesse it from here on out, and you will see the ending results. I'm loving this wig, guys. I get so many compliments, and it was a really cheap wig, and so far so good. This hair has minimal shedding. It is really it's not too much hair, so it's not too thick. People say that it looks extremely natural. It looks like a sew-in. The lace, the bleach took really well on the lace, so it looks really natural at the hairline. I did pre-pluck some of the edges a little bit more, but it did come pre-plucked already, but I just wanted to be plucked just a little bit more. But yeah, guys, I'm really loving this wig. You guys should definitely check them out. Eayon hair. I purchased it from Amazon for $170, which was not bad. It is a 24-inch water wave curly hair. So I'm really enjoying this wig. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow my new channel out and just kind of have fun with it. Alright guys, well that is all for now. So I'm gonna just let you guys finish watching me apply the wig. I hope you guys enjoy.